Hi friends, welcome to Jyotishi.com. In this series of videos on nakshatras, today we'll talk about the Ashlesha Nakshatra. The Ashlesha Nakshatra, also known as Ailyam Nakshatra in southern part of the country, is lauded by the Nagas. So the Hydra, the English terminology of Hydra constellation, and it's lauded by the Nagas, and it is a very, very auspicious nakshatra. So anybody with moon or significant planets in Ailyam or Ashlesha Nakshatra, it is advised that they chant the Naga Stotra, like Anantam Vasukim Shesham Padmanabham Chakambalam Shashankam Dhritarashtam Takshagam Kaliyam Tada Aidani Nava Nagani Namani Cha Mahatmana Sarvatra Vijayi Bhavet. So it is praising the Nagas, and it is supposed to bring in austerity and auspiciousness to a person with moon in Ashlesha Nakshatra. Some key peculiarities of Ashlesha Nakshatra are: person with significant planets or moon in Ashlesha Nakshatra are poison inflicting people. So for example, it is better that, if you are having a problematic war or a controversy with somebody, you try and kind of counter this, because they have this capability of inflicting poison and winning a war. So it's very important that you be very careful with a person who has got his key planets in Ailyam Nakshatra. They are highly sensuous, and they take the characteristics of a snake. So for example, clinging on to people, and so for example, a mother who is always behind her children, and at some point in time the child feels that if she lets me free, I'll be more happy, kind of a thing. So you can be clear that the mother has some significant planets in Ashlesha Nakshatra. The properties here are clinging on to that person. So for example, a lover or romance or person who, when they get together, the lover, the spouse or the lover feels that I don't have enough freedom or degrees of freedom. You can be reasonably sure that the person, the opposite partner, is having significant planets in Ailyam Nakshatra or Ashlesha Nakshatra, because they have this unique capability wherein they kind of try and bind you. So another example is, when you talk of binding, so they generally, for example, teachers, they or the people who teach you, they don't like you to move out of a particular framework. So if you are kind of trying to move out and then trying to establish yourself, they will try and control you and bring you back to that particular position. So from that perspective, the Ashlesha Nakshatra is a very, very powerful nakshatra. They have a huge spiritual potency. So for example, the coiled snake in our Muladhara Chakra is represented by that. And once invoked, once the spiritual tendencies are invoked, the Ashlesha Nakshatra kind of brings your potential to the maximum from a spiritual perspective. So from a career point of view, anything related to water is good. Anything related to government is good. So you would have noticed that in defense and in police and cops and all that, any junior who tries to excel, the senior would automatically try and control them and then put them down, kind of a thing, because there is a hierarchy and there is a process to be followed. So the senior person, you can be reasonably sure that the person has significant planets in the Ashlesha Nakshatra. So they are also good from a automotive perspective. They're also good at marine. So anything to do with shipping, anything to do with consignments, anything to do with the port. It is a very, very good nakshatra from that point of view. Significant letters related to this nakshatra are Ma. So for example, names like Madhav, names like Mukund are very good for this nakshatra. And then Deepa, Dayanand, Da and Di are also very good syllables and sounds which are suitable for this particular nakshatra. Ashlesha nakshatra is also a nakshatra of sensuality. So you would notice people with moon in Ashlesha nakshatra will have a brown or a green eyes, and it is like they will have a poisonous look. So it is the nakshatra of seduction. So for example, if you look at the person's eyes, you will clearly not be able to move out your face out of the eyes, because the eyes has the power of seduction. So you would notice that many, people who are in the who are like government spies, and those who go to different countries and want to gather information and all that, they are a powerful nakshatra of seduction and then ability to conquer you through your eyes. And another important characteristics of Ashlesha nakshatra are they are very sort of clinging on in the ear areas. So for example, any lover or any romance, a person who is romancing kind of a thing or making love kind of a thing, when they cling on to your ear in this particular area, you can be dead sure that one of their key planets is in Ashlesha nakshatra. Ashlesha is also the nakshatra for transformation. So anybody, like a snake sheds its skin, so anybody wants a complete transformation. You would have noticed some people, after a certain point in time, completely transform. They were non-believers and suddenly become believers, and they never go to temples. Suddenly, after a certain age, you find them, they are hardcore believers in life. So anybody not interested in music, after a certain point in time, they are, hardcore listeners of music. So the complete transformation, if you notice in someone, you can be reasonably sure that significant planet of that person is in Ashlesha nakshatra. It is also a planet of persistence. So for example, Mahatma Gandhi has his moon in Ashlesha nakshatra, and he was persistent that India got freedom. So from that perspective, Ashlesha nakshatra is a very significant nakshatra. And the intelligence of Ashlesha nakshatra is to do with mysticism, is to do with secrecy, it is to do with spirituality kind of a thing. And for example, Jawaharlal Nehru's Lagna is placed in Ashlesha nakshatra, so you would find certain tendencies where we can correlate with this particular nakshatra. In case you would want to find out which is your nakshatra, and if it is Ashlesha nakshatra, you should definitely log into jyotishi.com and do a free analysis. And if any of your key planets are in Ashlesha nakshatra, you should definitely connect with the Nagas, the Anantas and the Sheshas, and they would definitely bless prosperity onto your life. Thank you for watching the Jyotishi.com channel.